Hi, Muir Mattison here. I got sick of replacing these lock spacers all the time, so I decided to make some unbreakable ones. Look how much metal should be on the factory part, but isn't. And look at the back. Theirs is hollow, while mine is solid. Look here where it breaks. Not a whole lot connecting the upright block to the base. Also, the factory part is cast out of very weak pot metal. Mine is milled out of a solid aluminum block. It's very expensive, but worth it. Here's the computerized milling machine. It's hard to see the action from behind the safety barrier, so let's leave it open for a bit. We're leaving the coolant off also to see even better. This stage takes a while, so I'll take the opportunity to mention that I guarantee this part will never break. If it ever does, I will send you a replacement part free, including shipping. Alright, let's speed this up a bit. Now we're back to normal with the doors closed and the coolant on. The machine trades the cutting bit for a drill bit to drill the mounting holes. Now a smaller bit for the screw holes. I'm afraid the coolant is blocking our view of the drill bit in action. We'll speed this part up too. Now the machine grabs a thread tap to make the screw threads. The last step is to mill the back of the part to give it precisely the right height. Again, speeding things up. And there it is, your nice new unbreakable lock spacer. Get it now. Just copy the part number off this YouTube page and paste it into the search box on Amazon or eBay.